Kind of funny to bring it up this far into the section of these lessons dealing with the word search tool, but you may have already noticed these handsome red squares. We call these notifications. We call these notifications for lack of anything more zesty and dynamic. We call them this because they notify you of how many results might be found within each tab, so you can better gauge whether it would be worth your time to click on a tab. Beyond the 3 tabs we've already discussed, primary, secondary, and wildcard, we currently have 3 more tabs that will commonly appear when you run word searches, and we may add more down the line. The first additional tab is the Dictionaries tab. This behaves just like the Dictionaries tab in the Bible tools, covered earlier, but instead of keying off a particular verse, it will find all the articles directly related somehow to your search terms. Next, we have the Lexiconch. This gives access to our Lexiconch tool, one of the most powerful features of the BLB, that sadly went almost entirely overlooked for nearly a decade. With the new version of the site, we've been able to bring it more front and center, making it easier for users to check out the wonderful things it can do. We'll be covering the Lexiconch in its own lesson in the Advanced BLB section of tutorials. The final tab we included on a bit of a lark, but it can make a handy tool in its own right. The FAQ tab compares your search term against the BLB's theological articles and then returns a list with all of the appropriate articles.